friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Robyn and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. It means a lot to me, your loyalty to my channel. So I do all sorts of unboxings. And one of my favorite is Mix and Match. So it's a monthly subscription. I will leave a link below and you can get it for the first 3 months for just $5 styling fee, which of course will go towards anything that you purchase in the box. Then they have another program where you pay a flat fee and you get like 3 or 4 items. I haven't tried that one because I'm really happy with the one that I get. So it comes in this nicely packaged bundle. Thank you for letting us style you. I have no idea what's in here. Want to be surprised. And actually I have a couple bundles. And my style is Alexis and she is fantastic. So if you do want to try this, please ask for Alexis. She is such a doll. So the first thing in the box is $39 and it is by Gilly. And their prices are just probably a little lower than Stitch Fix. And they do offer the 25% discount if you buy 5. And they usually put about 7 items, so you have a little more variety to choose from. So this top is gorgeous. It's got the fold over front with the top, so I'll have to see if I have to wear a tank underneath this, but it's a beautiful color. The next thing is by Promisa, and it is $28, a size large, and it's a cold shoulder. It looks like green, very pretty. It's a little sheer, so again, might have to wear a tank, but it's got the cold shoulder. But this is really nice. Oh, I'm excited about this. The next thing is by Lush. It's in like a baby blue. It's $46. And it's a fuzzy sweater. It's got those arms, if you can see it. It looks super comfortable, and it's got the ribbing at the bottom. So I don't think it's as heavy as it looks. So I don't know, Alexis, you're doing a great job. And the next thing is just USA. I had her size up. Even though I'm dieting, my pants just don't fit different. And some of these pants, I think, run a little bit tight, especially when you have a little poochie like I do. But they're a distressed jean. Loving these. You can see, and then it's got the, on the bottom, I can't wait to try these on. And they are $49, which is not bad at all for a pair of jeans. So hopefully they will fit. Then I do have another bundle. It is, well, this is almost like the top I returned in the trunk club because it was too tight. It's a size large, it's 42. And it's a Dear John American Classic. But it's got the, now that is pretty, and it's got it on the bottom. Wow. And it looks plenty big. Okay, I'm loving the colors in here. She just did an awesome job. My big problem is always a fit issue with me. This is a Doe and Ray, size large, and it's a cardigan. It's got pockets on both sides. What a really pretty color. And another Doe and Ray. It's a plain, oh, I thought it was a plain white sweater. But look at the back. How sexy looking is that? I kind of like that. Oh, and price on this looks like $42. And the last pair, a little different, is a pair of jeans by L&B. But look, I can tell you right now, this is not my style. At my age, it just isn't gonna work for me. But you never know when you put them on what it looks like. But definitely a cool pattern. And these are $50, so still not a bad price. I like the bottom. It's got the frayed hem there, but something about the busyness at the bottom. So I think this was overall a great box. I am sure I'm gonna find at least 5 pieces to keep out of this. And again, there's the pricing in here. There's a return envelope in here. Let me get it all out. So here's the return envelope, and she wrote me a note, Happy New Year. And then she details everything. And then again, you get 25% off if you keep 5. And they also have, they also have a payment plan. So you can go crazy and you have 3 months to pay it. So I'm sure this is gonna keep me busy. And let's see what the total. So if I bought everything, it would be $335, which for 7 pieces is not that bad. Then I get the 25% discount, would be $83.75, and then the total would be $251.25. So for 7 pieces, that is a great box. So again, I'm gonna link it below, so if you want to give it a try. And then of course they have the styling fee on here, and I will be right back with the try on. Thank you. Okay, I am back with the first outfit. I am wearing the Doe and Ray ivory back lace top, and it's $42, and I paired it with the L&B boot cut jeans with the floral embroidery on the side, and they are $50. So here's the sweater. There's the back. It fits comfortable. I'm gonna lower you, see if I can get you to see these fancy jeans. So these are the jeans, and those are the flowers on the side. I'm not sure about these flowers on the side. Overall, the pants fit great. And I kind of like the top. I'm just not sure if it's age appropriate to have a shoelace thing going up your back. So let me know, let me know what you think, and I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, I am back with the next outfit. Make sure I don't reveal anything here. I've got the Just USA mid-rise skinny with the uneven hem that are $49, and the Gilly 3/4 sleeve crossover two-toned that's $39. So this is the top. See if I can get in there. It's very comfortable. I'm not sure I have to wear a cami underneath because it might pop open. So let me get in the back. See if I can adjust the camera. These are the jeans. They have the frayed hem on the bottom. Yep. So I'm not sure. I know I can throw some boots with these because I wear boots all the time, and they probably would look cute with a pair of sandals. So let me know what you think. Okay, I will be right back with the next outfit. It gets hot trying on clothes. Okay, I am back. I am wearing the Doe and Ray Mocha Ribbed Cardigan. It is $44. The Dear John Black Stella Lace Mixed Tee is $42. And I still have on those pants. So this is the mocha. It's got pockets. I'm going to lower you here. So let me know what you think. I'm not really crazy about this mocha. And I'm going to take it off because I have the lace tee underneath it. Let's see if we can get a good shot of that. There we go. It feels a little big, surprisingly. It's got this nice sleeve here. Of course, you can see my bra. It just hangs, and it's got, see if I can get you in there. Oops. It's got the lace on the bottom, so that's kind of nice. So let me know what you think of this. It just doesn't really do anything for me, so I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I am wearing there's so many clothes here, the Lush Icy Blue oversized long sleeve pullover in a size medium, and it's $46. It's very cute. Kind of hangs there. It's got the side things. So I don't know if it looks a little big down here. So let me know what you think. I have one more top to try on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with the last top. It is the Promisa Olive Green Burnout Cold Shoulder. It's in a size large for $28. But look at the sleeves, just kind of, if you'd like to donate $1 in there. Yeah, the sleeves just aren't. I'm gonna have to wear it. Would have to wear it with the strapless bra, but the sleeves just are doing this funky thing. Overall, I like it. Normally, I don't wear green. it kind of washes out my already white skin. But yeah, and these sleeves just aren't working for me. So I will be right back with the recap. Okay, so I'm here with the recap, and of course when I went to upload it, I was missing the part with the recap. So here it is days later, and I'm doing the recap. So it was a great box. Alexis, she does a great job. I just think I have fit issues overall. So I didn't keep anything in the box. I really liked the floral pants, the way they fit, but I couldn't get over that there was floral on the side. So that was a tough choice. And I had fit issues with all the others, so I'm working with Alexis to see what we can do. Plus I think some of the tops just weren't age appropriate for me. So if I had bought, I think there were 8 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were, 8 pieces in the box. With the discount, it would have been $251.25, which is a great price for 8 pieces. But there was just nothing. So let me know what your comments are, how you thought that they fit on me as well. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.